Tzatziki?
Or tzatziki.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. We're going to get complaints. Tzatziki.
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 No stress, no mess. Yes, today on Eat and Run in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are cooking up the easiest, fastest Greek sheet pan dinner. Let's get started with the tangy tzatziki sauce.
So this is a really easy sauce to make. All these ingredients are going to go into one bowl. We have 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of grated cucumber. So we have grated the cucumber, we've squeezed out the liquid and adding it into our sauce.
Okay.
Then you have 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We have 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill and 1 garlic clove minced. The last thing is half a teaspoon of kosher salt. So you're gonna mix this up, cover it, put it in the refrigerator until the rest of your dinner is ready to go.
How truly simple.
At this point, you're gonna preheat your oven to 425 degrees and cover a sheet pan with parchment paper. So let's get started with the spice mixture. In a bowl, we have 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and you're gonna mix that with 1 teaspoon of dried basil and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Next, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of lemon zest, and then half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So we're gonna mix all that up. So while you're mixing that, we have 4 chicken breasts that we will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to. Stir that up. Look at you. You're my official stirrer now.
I'm so glad I wore my blazer.
To be put to work, obviously.
I am the captain of the kitchen.
Okay, so
Ahoy.
to that, you're gonna add half of the spice mixture. And the chicken breasts are gonna just get laid out, kind of randomly scattered throughout the baking sheet.
All right.
Okay.
Now, Lee, it looks like you've cut up your chicken breasts a little here.
So we cut them in half.
So it's
We have-
8 pieces.
Yeah, we had 4 chicken breasts cut in half.
Okay.
Next, we have 1 pound of new potatoes that we've cut in half. We have 2 red peppers cut up into cubes.
And I'd love to say, when buying your red peppers, make sure that they're heavy for their size and give them a shake. If you hear the seeds rattling around, they're past their prime.
So we have 2 red peppers and 1 large zucchini that we've cut
It's
in.
actually technically zucchini. A single zucchini is a zucchini.
Okay, who says that?
Well, if you want to be correct about it, it's a zucchini.
We have a 19-ounce tin of cut tomatoes that we've drained, and we're gonna add to this. We have 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
This is so easy. It's like ridiculous.
The remaining spice mixture. And then this is gonna get mixed up and scattered with the chicken. So this mixture will get laid in between the chicken, and you can keep doing that. And then we have 1 lemon sliced and 2 garlic cloves sliced that, again, will just kind of randomly scatter throughout your sheet. This will go in your preheated oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes.
For more fast and fantastic weeknight dinners and breakfast and brunch and lunch and gatherings
And dessert.
check out our latest cookbook, The Bite Me Balance. 75% healthy, 25% butter.